Now I would invite Asuni from Arunachal Pradesh. She is going to present her speech on Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji in English language.
Good morning, everyone, respected dignitaries, fellow speakers, and all the participants present here. From the land where the first sun rises in India, I am Asuni Khamlai from Arunachal Pradesh, representing Arunachal Pradesh University, Pasighat. Today, I feel privileged to speak on life and invaluable contribution of prominent freedom fighter, social reformist, and educationist, Mahamana Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Mahamana was born on 25 December 1861 in Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad, in a religious and scholarly Brahmin family. One of his greatest contributions to the nation was in the field of education. He founded one of the Asia's largest residential university, the Banaras Hindu University, in the year 1916. He envisioned the Banaras Hindu University as a center where the modern scientific knowledge and ancient Indian wisdom could coexist. His vision reminds us to bring progress and inclusivity without disrupting our cultural roots. He also played a great role in freedom struggle. He joined the Indian National Congress in 1886 and served as its president for 4 times. From supporting the demand for Swaraj to opposing the separate electorates for Muslims in Lucknow Pact 1916, to protesting against Simon Commission, and to play a significant role in non-cooperation movement, and to issue a manifesto of Buy Indian movement in response to Buy British movement in England. We bow to his immense contribution in India's independence. As a social reformist, Mahamana's effort extend to uplift the marginalized section of society. He immensely worked for untouchables, helping them to achieve social equality and access to educational resources. And he worked towards building a unified Hindu identity, advocating against religious and caste-based discrimination. In recognition to his unparalleled service to the nation, he was awarded the India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in March 2015. But as youth, being the builder of tomorrow, and nation as a whole, we need to question, are we doing justice to the blood and sweat that our leaders like Mahamana have put in? Even as a developing nation, the scheduled tribes, the scheduled castes, and the other marginalized section of society are facing discrimination till date. And the elements of cultural importance are disrupted in the name of modernization and progress. Today, as we pay homage to these brave and inspiring heroes, let us remind ourselves to carry out their vision in our action and bring the change that our leaders set forth for. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.